Here's the question. Can someone send me a message on LinkedIn and then delete it? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to go over here to messaging. I'm going to bring up Reva. And here she is right here. And I'm going to send her a message. Hi, Reva. And I'm going to hit send. Now, I've sent that message to her, and you can see I've sent a bunch of messages to her. The last one I sent was November 27th at 1:43. Now, look right here when I hover over that message. I've got the icon set, but I also have three little dots over here. So I click on these three little dots, look what it brings up. Forward and share via email. That's all it gives me. Now, but this one right here, if I hover over this one and I click on the three dots, I get forward, share via email, delete, and edit. So I can actually edit this message or delete this message. Let me show you what Reva sees on her side. Reva sees the messages I sent to her previously, and she hovers over this message right here, and she has the three dots. She has forward or share via email. That's all she has. But again, I sent the message myself, and I have hover over the message, three dots, forward, share via email, delete, or edit. Now look what happens when I delete it. It wants to confirm, do I want to delete it? And I say yes, and the message is gone. Now I have no recourse. I have no way to get that back. There's no options. Like over here, I have the three dots. There's no recovery. I go to Reva's. Let's go and see what Reva sees. I have to hit refresh. And the message has been deleted. She has no options. There's no options associated with that message. Remember, up here I have the emoticons and the three dots, but nothing here. So when you delete a message, neither you nor the person you sent it to have the ability to execute on that message anyway. You can respond back, like, what happened? Where did the message go? And I can send that. And then I go, oh, maybe I didn't want to do that. This is on Reva's side. She goes to the three dots, hit that right here. She can edit it or delete it, say confirm. Now if I go look and see what Teddy got, he's got 2 deleted messages. So the bottom line, and by the way, the time frame is this. You can edit or delete a message up to 60 minutes from the time you sent it. You have 1 hour to edit or delete it. After that, you can't edit or delete anymore. That's according to LinkedIn support. I found that help document. The bottom line, if someone sends you a message and then deletes the message, you will get a notification that it has been deleted, just like this right here. Let's say that you don't have a notification that their message was deleted, and you're sure they sent you a message. As long as you can see their name under messaging with maybe previous messaging, then there's a couple other things that you may have done. You may have, from here, hit the 3 dots and reported and blocked. Now, when you report and block, it puts the messages into spam. But interestingly, there it is right there, and spam is right down here. You can go look and see what's in spam. Or what you may have done is you may have deleted the message thread entirely. And if you deleted it, you're not getting it back at all. You may have also archived it. Now, if you archived it, then it'll put it over here in the archive side as well. If I go hit the 3 dots and go look at archived, there they are right there. And if you archived them, realize you didn't want to archive them, you can select the checkbox there and you can move it back to restore, and you put it back in the inbox. Message is deleted or marked as deleted. Look and see if it's in archived or in spam, or possibly you deleted it yourself. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.